Hi everybody. I've been asked a lot of questions about Procreate app. People ask me how to import Photoshop brushes to Procreate. So actually you can, because Photoshop brushes are made different from Procreate brushes. But there is one way how to do it, and I'm going to show you how to do it today in this video. So let's start. So for this we will need three apps. The first one is Adobe Sketch. The second one is Procreate because you want to import the brushes to Procreate. And the third one is called ABR Viewer. I will post the link to this app in the description of the video. So the first thing that we need to do, we need to go to our File app, okay, and find the position and find where you saved the brush. So I have this set in brush set in Dropbox, and you need to extract it. I already extracted. Just click on this icon and wait till all the set will be extracted. Okay, then click on the set and go to this icon, export icon, and tap on the copy Adobe Sketch. Okay, in Adobe Sketch it will import all the set. Done. It's 26 brushes. I will open a new layer, and we can test all the brushes in this set. Okay, if you tap for 2 seconds on one of the brushes, you will go to the set that you just imported, and you just need to pick one of the brushes that you want to use, like this one. This is the ink. Okay, it's pressure sensitive, and if you just tap one tap on the screen, you can see how the brush looks like. Okay, and also you can go to this icon and see all the brush behavior. Okay, so it's blend mode normal, opacity 100%, scatter 28%. Okay, and dynamics, it's on pressure, flow none, everything is none. Okay, so we just need to follow these properties in Procreate app. So how do we go to the Procreate app? So first, just remember how the brush looks like, and then we go back to our Files app, tap on the set, go to the export icon, and find the ABR app. Okay, so the set is opened, and you can see the 26 brushes of the set. So this app opens only the shape of the brush, not its behavior. So let's find our brush that we want to try. Let's see its shape again, something like this. I think it's one of these, maybe, or this one. Let's see again. This one. Select your brush shape and go to the share icon, copy to clipboard. So it's copied to clipboard, and now we are going to Procreate app. Open a square image, square canvas, and go to Actions, Image, and Paste. So the shape of the brush is pasted to the canvas. Now I think we need to rotate it. I think that's how it looked like in the no. Here, let's see how it looks like. Okay, so I think we need to rotate it. So I think we need to rotate it like this. Yeah. Okay. And now what we will do, we will make the background black, because when you're making brushes for Procreate, you need a background. And click on your layer of the shape of the brush, click on the alpha lock, and then pick up a white color, go back to your layers, click on your layer and fill layer. Okay, so this is our brush shape. Now go to actions, go to image and copy canvas, and now go to the brushes. I have a test brushes here, so go to plus icon in the brushes and long press on shape source, paste, and now you have your shape source of your brush. For grain source, you can pick the regular blank shape source. So now you see the brush, and all we have to do is to adjust its properties here on all this stroke, shape and grain and everything, so it will look like your Photoshop brush in Adobe Sketch. So let's try it again. This is the brush. So let's put Procreate alongside with Sketch and test these brushes together. So there is a difference, but it's very small difference, and if you invest more time to make this brush, you will see that it starts to look very similar to the Photoshop brush. Okay, so that's it. Just play with your brushes, and this is the way how to import Photoshop brushes to Procreate by using the ABR viewer app. So I will put the link in the description of this video, so you can download this app. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.